This is news from Family Council. Last week, the Arkansas House of Representatives passed a measure that will help keep pro-abortion groups out of Arkansas's public schools. SB 466 by Senator Jim Dotson and Representative Sonia Barker says that a public school or open enrollment public charter school shall not knowingly enter into any type of transaction with an individual or entity that offers or provides abortion referrals. Arkansas law already prevents schools from contracting with organizations that perform abortions. Now that Arkansas generally prohibits abortion except to save the life of the mother, state law needs to clarify that public schools won't contract with pro-abortion groups like Planned Parenthood that refer women to abortion facilities out of state. The Arkansas Senate already passed this good bill. SB 466 now goes to Governor Sanders to become law. Family Council, promoting, protecting, and strengthening traditional family values in Arkansas. Visit us online at familycouncil.org.